Block 2 deals with study of political science and its approaches. So in the study of political science in approaches, we will be studying about how various approaches have led to the evolution of political science as a discipline and also its cordial relationship with other social sciences. So in traditional approach includes philosophical approach, historical approach, legal approach and institutional approach. These approaches are generally normative in nature and their main emphasis is laid on importance of values. So these are also called value-led emphasis, and on the other hand, the modern approaches such as behavioral approach and post-behavioral approach, systems approach, structural functional approach, they rely more on theorization, and the political phenomenon studied here deals about the scientifically embedded values and observations and so on and so forth. And also the further Marxist and neo-Marxist approaches also are studied, which deal with the economic classes, society and state as an instrument in exploitation, in the hands of haves and have-nots, and also the approaches attempt to search on economic causes for political problems from political economic perspective. So in this block, the units included are Unit 5 deals with traditional approaches to study of political science. Unit 5 deals with modern approaches such as behavioral and post-behavioral approaches. Unit 6 deals with systems and structural functional approaches. Unit 7 deals with Marxist and neo-Marxist approaches. So by these approaches, it is understood that the political science has evolved over a period as a discipline, and how the various systems that led to the evolution of emphasis from value-laden to scientifically theorized or scientifically observed approaches, and this approaches has led to evolution of various ideologies and various theories which led for the easy or smooth functioning of political institutions, and this also resulted in how smooth transition of nation state system has evolved over a period.